I'm joined by Tariq Hamid Karra, the winning candidate from Shalting constituency, the leader of the Congress party. Tariq Sahab, first of all, congratulations. It is a great show by the National Conference and the Congress. Were you expecting that you'll get this mandate?
We were expecting much better mandate from what we got as far as the number of seats is concerned. But as far as the result as a whole is concerned, it's a resounding victory for the alliance partners, and I dedicate this victory to the people of Jammu and Kashmir who were so pissed off by this dispensation, BJP, their repressive policies, their oppressive policies, their anti-people policies, may it be constitutional matters, may it be legal matters, may it be matters related to social aspect, cultural aspect, even to the extent of religious aspect. So the people of Jammu and Kashmir had made up their mind to keep the BJP out of the power corridors, and they have succeeded in it. That is why I say that I dedicate this victory to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, I wanted to ask you one question, that we got BJP taking seats from Jammu and National Conference and Congress taking from both the regions. How will the two regions get along? Now there seems to be a division that's taken place.
Well, we shall have to talk about it. There are certain contentious issues which need serious deliberation, and this is one of them. And we will have to take our alliance partners on board. We shall have to talk to our central leadership about it, and we will sail through it. I'm sure about it.
And what will be the next series of actions that you will follow now that this has happened? What's going to happen next? And when would we expect that a government formation will actually take place?
It's too early to say, but as you might have seen, that results are still coming in, and after that we may have to sit together, the alliance partners, and then consult our central leadership, and some procedure or some model shall have to be evolved first. It might take few days.
And finally, it's clear that Umar Abdullah is going to be the chief minister?
Well, that is the National Conference. What I have heard is Farooq Saab has said about it in the media.
In the press conference.
Yeah. So we shall have to inform our leadership about it, and they will take a call on it, and whatever they decide, we shall follow it.
Thanks so much, Tariq Saab. That was Tariq Hamid Karra, obviously sharing his thoughts with us. Today, Congress and National Conference have swept the polls and emerged as the winners. In Srinagar, with Amish Justice Zafar Iqbal from Mojo Story.